Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss an update from Tajalli Productions.
What is Miladun Nabi? We all have a special attachment with the birthdays of people close to us, isn't it? Birthdays are special, and birthdays of our loved ones are even more special. Friends, the birthday of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is around the corner, and you may have already heard about it by the name Miladun Nabi. But do you know, what did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, give to the world? How was his personality? What can you learn from his real life examples? Let us see a few things in this video. Number 1. Prophet Muhammad taught us to be good human beings. He encouraged his people to make life easy for others, even if it meant removing an obstacle from the road. He taught us to be kind and merciful to others, especially the have-nots. Story goes that on the day of Eid, he saw an orphan child crying on the road. He brought the child to his house and asked his wife to take good care of him and make him ready for the Eid. Similarly, there was another child, Zaid, who was adopted by the Prophet and his wife Khadija. Zaid was showered with love and affection and became part of the family. Zaid got so much attached to the Prophet that years later, when his parents found him, he chose to stay with the Prophet rather than his own parents. Thus, Prophet Muhammad practiced what he preached. Number 2. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, showed the men how to be good husband. He helped his wife in the daily chores like kneading the dough or preparing a meal or taking care of his own clothes or tidying up things inside the house, and encouraged others to do so. He said, "The best among you are the ones who are best to your family." He and his wife Aisha did compete in a running race competition on a couple of occasions. Other time, he took her out to show her a local event which she wanted to see. Number 3. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us what leadership meant by practicing it. One day, a person came to him while they all were busy digging a trench in preparation of an imminent battle. The man said he was overwhelmed because of the hard work and hunger. The Prophet encouraged him to continue the hard work by tying a stone to his stomach and showed that he himself had tied 2 stones. It became evident that the Prophet had worked much harder and much longer than anyone else, and his words and behavior thus rekindled the spirit of this man and eventually boosted the morale of all his men. Number 4. He taught us to lead a simple life. In those times and even today, kings and rulers lead a lavish lifestyle and splurge only upon themselves and their family. Contrary to this, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, never ever gathered materialistic things. Even when he ruled, he did not live in a luxury palace or build a huge castle for his family. All his life, he lived in a simple house devoid of even the basic necessities available to people of his time. His food, clothes, and personal belongings always showcased humbleness, and he stayed away from extravagance. In fact, he encouraged giving back to the society and led from the front in giving charity. There were many occasions where he gave almost all of what he had to the people who needed, so much so that his wife would wonder where would the next meal come from. Number 5. He brought in reforms such as ending the widespread female infanticide, making female education compulsory, taking a woman's consent for marriage, giving women share in inheritance, and also get a unilateral divorce from husband, etc. This was unheard of that time in the 7th century and remains a huge contribution to the cause of women's rights till today. He encouraged learning of not only the religious texts but also science and philosophy, and made it compulsory upon boys and girls equally in this regards. Even minute details from his daily routine to public administration are recorded for everybody to read and be inspired. No wonder he was ranked number 1 by Michael Hart in his list of most influential person in human history.